Hello friends, today we are discuss about mechanical properties of a solid. First of all, what are the solids? Solids are made up of atoms or group of atoms, means molecules, which has definite size and shape. Then, deforming force. When a force is applied to the solid, the size or shape or both change due to change in relative position of molecules. Such forces are called as deforming force. It means that when a force is applied to any solid substance, the size of a solid changes or shape of a solid changes, and sometimes size and shape both are changes due to the relative position of molecules present inside the solid. Such forces are called deforming force. Then what is deformation? Deformation is nothing but external force. The change in shape or size of or both of a body due to an external force. Sometimes external force is applied by human. This word is most important. External force is called deformation. There are three types of deformation. First, deformation due to change in shape, deformation due to change in length, and change in volume of an object. Change in volume of an object. Then elasticity. Elasticity is a mechanical property of a solid. What is elasticity? If a body regains, what is mean by regains? Regains means getting back. If a body regains its original dimensions, what are original dimensions? Original dimensions are size, shape, length, volume. These are original dimensions. After removing deforming force is called as elastic body, and this property of solids are called as elasticity. These are the certain examples of elasticity: metals, rubber, quartz. We all know about rubber. In the case of rubber, when a deforming force is applied to the rubber band, it gets deformed. But when the force is removed, it regains its original length. This property of a solid are called elasticity. Then plasticity. Plasticity is opposite property of elasticity. It is opposite of elasticity. If a body does not regain its original shape and size and retains its altered shape or size upon removal of deforming force. It means that when we apply deforming force on a solid, the shape and size of a solid goes on changing, but it does not regain, like elastic body. Hence, this property of a solid are called plasticity. Some examples are given below: clay, putty, plasticine, thick mud. In the case of clay, when a deforming force is applied to the clay, it also gets deformed, but it does not regain its original shape and size. This property is called plasticity. Then note, there is no solid which is perfectly elastic or perfectly plastic. Remember that example of ideal elastic body is quartz and the example of ideal plastic body is putty. These are the mechanical properties of solids. Thank you.